is the Strainrite universal ratchet handle. It's got the spring-loaded ratchet pin here, which makes ratcheting very easy with it. It's also got the square drive hole that fits on the square drive of our permanent wire strainers, which makes it easy for doing them up that way. So you can do it up using the square drive part like that, or you can do it up using the ratchet. Where the square drive is very good is when you want to release the permanent wire strainer to take it off. It's easy to put that on, put the clip back, and then you can just release it slowly like that rather than a couple of clicks at a time.